Okay, so on the side here, so we have a gate, we have our pound, we've only got 3 spaces, which is about 3 metres apart. You can do it with a measuring stick, 1, 2, 3, or you can just pace it out. So what we've done, we've established our centre, so we just put a little bit of chalk either side of that string line. We flick it, okay, so now we know where that is. So what we'll do now, because we have to remove the string line here, for obvious reasons, if we can't put the metal against this because it'll cut. So we've got a centre there, so that's going to be evening out with our gateway, and the same here. We've wrapped it around to make it centre here. So we get the middle one that's perfect. So if we even had 5 bays in the middle, we would do all our middle 5 bays. And our last 2 on here, we remove our string line and we place the centre of the pipe on there to the centre of the pipe there to make sure that this matches and that matches to there. And if you've got your string line, and every now and then, get your string line, just give it a pinch like that, just to make sure it vibrates up and that it's in the same spot. So once again, we do a little chalk mark there, either side. Now we know our centre, but it doesn't really matter because when we get them here, you'll stand out here like this, just tap it up and down till it looks perfectly the same, and then your yard will be spot on.